Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix MTP driver problem. This happens when you connect your Android device but it fails to show up under this PC or my computer. So this video will help you to fix the issue on all Windows. On Windows 7, 8, 10, even Windows 11. So hand over to Start menu, click Start menu, then search Device Manager and open it. You'll see option Other Devices. Click on the arrow, then click on your device. Mine is Redmi Note 11. Right click on it, click Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the list available drivers on my PC, then select Show All Devices, then click Next. Now click MTP USB device and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. As you can see, I have successfully installed my MTP USB device. Now you can go on your operation you want to use. Thank you guys for watching.